Good afternoon, guys. So we're back in the Trade Mastermind podcast studio, and today we are joined by Dave. Dave, can you start by telling us the name of your business, please?
Yeah, it's SMD Heating and Renewables.
Brilliant. What is it you focus on?
At the moment, boilers, but we're going to be going into renewables as well in March, hopefully.
Brilliant. How long have you been with the Academy for?
Since May, joined around May time with the boilers, and this is my second month on the Renewables Academy.
Awesome. How have you found it?
Yeah, really good, yeah.
Good. How would you say, since being, because obviously 6 months isn't a long time as such, but since being on the Academy, how would you say it's impacted your business?
So it's just started to come together really the last sort of month or so. We're kind of averaging 4 or 5 boilers a week now.
Brilliant.
And last year we did 16 in the whole year, so quite a bit different.
Very big difference.
Yeah.
It's definitely doing wonders for you.
Yeah.
Then. How are you finding the modules that you're sort of focusing on? Are you taking key points away from it?
Yeah, it's challenging because there's so much to do, but the support and the process is really good, and having the account managers on hand has been a godsend really, so that's been really good.
Yeah. Have you used any other services within Trade Mastermind?
Yeah, so we use Trade Design for the brochures and the van sign writing.
Oh, cool, okay. And how did you find the service?
Yeah, really good.
Brilliant.
Get a lot of good customer feedback about the brochures, how professional they look and how well we come across compared to others.
Brilliant.
And the van's gone down really well with the customers. It's a conversation point when it starts at the end of their drive.
Yeah.
So that's all good, and I think that'll be even better once we go into the renewables because it's full electric. So
awesome. Well, no, thank you for joining me today, Dave.
That's all right.
And we'll catch up soon.
Yeah, cheers.